How to start Etsy dropshipping full tutorial, Etsy dropshipping full guide. In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing about Etsy and how you can start dropshipping with Etsy and just make a lot of money off of it. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and discuss what Etsy really is, okay? So Etsy basically is your global marketplace for, these handmade or maybe digital or maybe, just gifts for other people. It's that type of stuff and stuff that will help you in your daily lives. Like, you have digital planners up here, you have gifts for him, gifts for her, you have different personalized gifts if you want to give them, DIY crafts for kids, jewelry and stuff like that. It's stuff made by people using vintage, unique, custom things and items. And trust me, people make a lot of money off Etsy. And they make it because Etsy just allows you to do all these things. Like, if you don't know what dropshipping, you'll just be sitting at your home doing nothing. Like, all you'll do is just market a product and get paid for it. Like, how cool is that? Just imagine. So yeah, that's what Etsy is. Etsy gives you all these different options for things to buy, digital planner bundles, stuff like that. So to get started with Etsy, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and sign up with Etsy. So to sign up, you're going to go in the sign in bar and you're going to register. Now, I'm going to be signing up with a temp mail for myself, but if you're doing this for the long run, please, I recommend that you use a proper email, a proper Gmail or something like that for yourself, because if you're doing this for the whole drop shipping and money making techniques, then you don't want to lose this email. And trust me, temp mails are very easy to lose, so just remember to go with the proper one. Now, go with a strong password that it will actually agree of, and once you have gone with a good password, go and click on register. And once you click on register, it's obviously going to take you through all the whatnots, all the different things that come with Etsy. So here we are. Here they're going to say, okay, welcome back. Hey, what's up and everything. And they're also going to send you like a code over here or something like that. So yeah, now we are into the Etsy space. Now what we have to do to start everything off is we're going to go ahead and click on sell on Etsy, because obviously without selling on Etsy, we won't be able to do our dropshipping and make money. So when we come to sell on Etsy here, you can see millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Now, first of all, join the creative marketplace where millions of shoppers spend billions each year purchasing directly from creative entrepreneurs like you. You have items at great value where you can list your first item for just 0.2 US dollars. You only pay transaction, payment processing, and offsite advertising fees when you make a sale. Then you have powerful tools where our tools and services make it easy to manage, promote, and grow your business. Support and education where you reach out to Etsy support specialists anytime you need a hand and get tips on running a successful shop in our seller handbook. And obviously you can start selling today if you want to. You have simple, transparent, and secure things to go ahead with. No additional monthly fees, automatic deposits, USD 0.2 listing fee. Listings are active for 4 months or until they sell. 6.5% transaction fee and PayPal fee, where once purchased, there is a small commission fee and a standard PayPal payment processing fee. You have 15% offsite ads fee, where Etsy pays to advertise your items across the web through offsite ads. You only pay a fee when you make a sale from one of those ads, and it processes all the payments through PayPal in very efficient and quick ways. So trust me, it's very good to use, very easy to use, and I recommend that you start using it right away. It has simple and powerful tools in it as well, where you can spend less time managing your shop and more time on the fun stuff. You're going to have tools to help you whether you're just getting started or about to make 10,000 sale. You can manage your business anywhere by using the Etsy seller app to manage orders, update items, and respond to your customers on the go. You have promotional tools that drive traffic, reach more buyers by promoting your listings in search or using their free tools to search or share your items on Etsy and social media. You also get analytics to improve your sales, where you have detailed statistics that show performance trends and traffic sources so you can stay on top of your business. And you can also accept payments seamlessly by managing payment processing with PayPal to make it easy for buyers to basically pay any way they choose. You can also choose your own path to success. Etsy has tools designed for every stage for your business's growth. No matter how big your ambitions, access more advanced tools with an optional monthly subscription package. You get a standard package and a plus package. Standard is obviously totally free, and the plus is $10 a month. In Etsy Plus, you also get great features that you can check out later if you want to. And you can also get great help from the people at Etsy. So yeah, that's also a great thing to have by your side. Now, once you've discussed all that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on Get Started. And once you click on Get Started here, they're going to welcome you and everything. So you're just going to click on Let's Do This. And once you click on that, it brings you over here. What brings you to Etsy? It will help guide you to success, whether you're a pro or brand new to selling. You could like choose any one of these. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on Next. Is there anything you would like help with? Choose as many topics as you want. We'll share resources to help you grow. So you can like obviously demand help in any of these fields, like deciding what to sell, shop, naming and brand, selling online, etc. So you go with any of these, but we're obviously going to be doing drop shipping. So we're just going to do selling online and selling internationally and click on Next. And once you do that, now time for the fun part. Start your shop. Now, once you're in Start Your Shop, this is where the big leagues start. Now, first of all, you have your shop language, okay? Now, you're going to set your shop language accordingly. Then you're going to select the country you're from, okay? Now, if your country is not here, then I'm sorry, you will not be able to do Etsy dropshipping. But if your country is here, just choose your country, choose your currency. Once you do that, you're going to choose the shop's name. And once you choose your shop's name, like just choose anything. And once that is done, click on Save and Continue. And once you do that, it's going to take you over here where you're going to create listings, okay? So to create listings, you're first of all going to add photos of like, you know, maybe stock your shop. So first of all, you're going to tell them that, okay, this is my shop. I have all this stuff. So you're going to, you know, put photos of any product, okay? So first of all, you're going to have to take all these photos. So first of all, a primary photo, which is just a front up shot. Then you're going to take an angle from like, you know, lower side, then from the left side, then from the right side. Then you're going to capture the details by zooming in. Then you're going to put the product in use. You're going to size and scale it with other products. It's then take, you know, a styled picture with, you know, some scenery in the back, and then make variations of that photo. Once that is done, you're going to make a video of your product. The video could be, you know, from 5 to 15 seconds. It depends on you. Then you can also start listing the details. The detail listing is basically what goes with like the video and photos. Remember, what you use in your photos is going to be all like according to that is what you're going to add in your listing details. So in the video, it says film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, adjust your settings, crop your video, etc. So accordingly to that, title includes keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. So let's say you have Nike shoes. So you can write, you know, Nike sneakers, trainers, shoes, joggers, you know, original, good quality, stuff like that. You can write that. And about this listing. So who made it? You can add in who made it, then what is it. So, you know, stuff like, let's say you're going to be doing drop shipping. So it could be another company or a person. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? You're going to put in the year of when it was made. Then category. Type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So it could be, you know, men's coat, hoop earring, wall hanging, yarn, you know, any of these things. It could be any of those things, and it totally depends on you whether you want to mess around with these part of the settings or not. So obviously it's men's trainers, let's say. Okay, so you're gonna write men's trainers and athletic shoes. There we go. You're gonna choose the primary color. I'm gonna go with black, or you know what, let's go with blue. Choose secondary color. Let's make this black. Then size could be, you know, in US or Canadian or in the EU. I'm going to choose EU, and the size is 44, okay? Now, the occasion could be anything. You could wear it, let's say, on birthday. Just give it to someone on their birthday. Celebration, it could be, you know, again, birthday, Thanksgiving, St. Valentine's Day. You can keep this unchecked, but let's just put in Christmas. Renewal options. Each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. So you can choose this accordingly. On automatic, this listing will renew as it expires for $0.2. On manual, you will renew expired listings yourself. So I'm going to recommend keep this on automatic because it's just too much work if you keep it on manual. Like, you don't want to constantly go back and change the listings. That's like, it's irrelevant work in my opinion. Then you have the type of item. Now, the type of item could be physical or digital. A physical is a tangible item that you will deliver to buyers, and a digital item is a digital file that buyers will download. So then comes the description. Start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. So just make sure to write a proper full-fledged description because, like, obviously people will like a proper description. No one is gonna like an empty description out there, so just make sure to add that. Then you have production partners where you can add new production partners and stuff. And once all of that is added, then you have the deliveries, and those are just the other whatnots that you're just gonna have to do. Then you can like save this and continue. Then you'll obviously head on to how you're gonna get paid basically. So yeah, now once you save all of this, you're gonna head on to how you'll get paid. Your payment options could be PayPal or something like that. Totally, that's upon you. Then you're gonna set up the billing, how you're gonna bill people, and then you have your shop security. So once all of that is done, you're gonna come back to your main Etsy page. And once you're on your main Etsy page and your shop has been properly set up, that is where you're going to start your Etsy drop shipping. So to start your Etsy drop shipping, basically, you're going to drop ship products from other people. Now, what do I mean by that? Basically, products like digital products or, products like lipsticks or stuff like that. All these products. Now, how will you drop ship them? You can drop ship them through various points. Okay. Now, those various points could be eBay. Okay. You can drop ship using eBay. You can drop ship using Amazon. You can drop ship using Alibaba or AliExpress. Tons and tons of different products. So, what furthermore you can do is like once you have your dropshipping store, you're just gonna choose the product you want to dropship. So let's say you want to dropship this moisturizing cream. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna go over here and you're gonna copy the link, go to your Etsy shop, and once you're into your Etsy shop over here, you're gonna paste the link into your import product section, and from there just import your product. That is how simple and easy it is. Like, just imagine, that is how cool it is. And same goes with eBay. Just go on any product that you want to get, copy the link, paste it into import products, and you're gonna be good with it. Now, once you've obviously done all of that, you're gonna like get all the processed payments and everything and all that stuff. And once all of that is done, you're gonna be good to go with Etsy's very own dropshipping. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if I left anything out or made any mistake, or if you have any issue with this video, please let me know down in the comments below and I will fix it immediately. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.